Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. BJP all set to retain power in Gujarat, oath-taking ceremony on December 12. Congress wins 39 seats. Congress President thanks people of Himachal Pradesh. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong lays foundation stone for the construction and improvement of roads in Jaintia Hills. And Meghalaya expects 15 lakh tourist footfall in the next 2 years. Government drafts new tourism policy 2022. And now the news in detail. In Gujarat, the oath-taking ceremony of the new BJP government will be held on Monday. The state party president C.R. Patil announced this at party headquarters in Gandhinagar today, as the BJP is all set to retain power for the record 7th time. As per the latest report, BJP won 120 assembly seats and leads in 36 seats in the 182 members assembly. The Congress won 11 seats and leading in 6. In 2017, Congress won 77 seats. The Aam Aadmi Party is leading in 1 seat. All prominent faces of the ruling BJP, including Chief Minister Bhupendra Patil and his several ministers, including Harsh Sanghavi, Jitubhai Bhagwani, Raghav G. Patel and Rushikesh Patel, are leading in their respective seats. From the Congress, Arjun Mordavia and Imran Khedawala won their seat. AAP candidates are leading in Garyadhar, Dedapara and Jamjodhpur seats. In Himachal Pradesh, the BJP has won 18 seats and is leading in 7. Congress has won 39 seats and leading in 1. BJP candidate Rakesh Kumar won the Surendranagar seat. He defeated his nearest rival Sohan Lal of Congress. Chief Minister Jai Ram Thakur has won from Siraj constituency against Congress rival Chet Ram. Other prominent BJP candidates who won include Anil Sharma from Mandi against rival candidate of Congress. The prominent Congress candidates who are leading include Satpal Singh Raizada from Una, Khimi Ram from Banjar, Surendra Singh Thakur from Kullu. Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Roads Preston Tinsong today laid 7 projects foundation stone at Madan Mi Mintadu for the construction and improvement of roads amounting to rupees 84 crore 14 lakh 37,000. This sanctioned amount will cover improvement, metalling and blacktopping of internal village road at Niryang, protection of road formation of Madan Thalaskein via Mission Etnar to Mutong Road by construction of R-wall, B-wall, V-shaped drain, etc., metalling and blacktopping of internal village roads at Sabha Muswang, rehabilitation, in-charge metalling and blacktopping of internal roads at Mi Mintadu village, rehabilitation, improvement of roads within Jawai town under the World Bank, construction of bridge from KNB Road to Thomas Jones College, widening, improvement and strengthening of Demthring So Minting Muding Mai Road. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister acknowledged the efforts of the state government towards bringing about the development and welfare of the general public in every part of the state, in particular the initiative taken, the improvement and the construction of roads.
Bagini kita gibangi gibadon kam ban pen internet ban pen thu ban pen phing ngihap ban invest ngihap ban warna ya kiskim gibaper henang ba kaburom jok ngejela komong pi kan nang kiu ate dementa kala jialong kaneka project kini kiskim kibaper hang ne juai komong pi kinong juai pide kibadon bok shibune.
The Tourism Department today organized a workshop on Draft Tourism Policy 2022 in Shillong, with the expectation that the annual tourist footfall in the state will cross 15 lakh by 2024. Meghalaya government is formulating the new tourism policy which will boost up the sector. The new tourism policy has been designed in a manner that it will help create capacity and employment opportunities in the local economy and significantly contribute to the realization of this vision. The existing tourism policy was formulated in 2011 to a large extent has been successful in realizing its staged vision of positioning Meghalaya as a preferred tourist destination by taking advantage of its rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. However, given that a decade has passed wherein tourism has evolved to be the mainstay of economic growth but also suffered immensely from the pandemic, it was felt necessary to have a comprehensive relook of the existing policy and come up with a revamped tourism policy.
Tourism policy is the second level document which actually gives a guiding principles of what we are doing. So if you look at the policies, there would be basically principles and thrust areas. The actual action point are projects and initiatives which will be taken up over a course of time, and some of those initiatives have been taken up. But basically what has been captured in the tourism policy is what are the focus areas and what are the intents of the government and what are the sectors that we believe are high potential for the state.
Expelled Congress MLA from West Shillong, Mohendro Rapsang, will contest the elections from the National People's Party ticket this time. Talking to reporters, Rapsang said that he has decided to leave the Congress and contest the election on the ticket of the National People's Party. He further added that the reason for joining NPP is that the party is working very fast for the public interest and it would be better to work with them.
Yet to join the NPP. As of now, I'm still a Congress legislator, but I'm not going to contest from the Congress anymore because I'm under suspension. Then in by next another 10 days, I'll be resigning from the Congress. I'll be resigning as an MLA also. Then I'm going to join a new party, and then I'm sure that I'm joining NPP.
And in FIFA World Cup 2022, Croatia to face Brazil in the first quarterfinals starting tomorrow. Croatia edged out Japan on penalties in their round of 16 match to enter the quarterfinals. Five-time champions Brazil showcased a performance worthy of their favourite stag to storm into the quarterfinals. With their talisman Neymar back on the field, Brazil stormed into the quarterfinals in style, crushing South Korea 4-1 in their round of 16 match. And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 19.6 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 44%, while in the evening it stood at 78%. The forecast: weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. BJP all set to retain power in Gujarat, oath-taking ceremony on December 12. Congress wins 39 seats. Congress President thanks people of Himachal Pradesh. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong lays foundation stone for the construction and improvement of roads in Jaintia Hills. And Meghalaya expects 15 lakh tourist footfall in the next 2 years. Government drafts new tourism policy 2022. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us. And from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.